Hey everyone, hope you're all having a good time. This is a great conference, by the way. Really glad to be here. All right, I hope everyone here will agree with me. I hope everyone here knows Docker. I'm going to assume you all do, and I hope you all agree that a key thing Docker's done over the last 10 years is make it easy for all of us and all developers to adopt microservices and containers, bringing standards, easy tooling, and trust in the ecosystem with things like official images and Hub. We now see a need to do the same for agents and tools, and so that's what I'm going to talk to you about today. A framing I like, and we like to think about this, is agents are the new microservices. The same way we moved from monoliths to microservices and needed containers, a similar shift is happening with agents. We're now going to move to agents calling each other. Containers are still the right paradigm, but we need to build on top of them. We need to build standardized packaging for agents that understand what agents are, what the dependencies are. We need trusted catalogs, and we need to make it easy for everyone to share and use these. So today I want to briefly talk to you about two things we're doing in this space. First, this is an early exploration we're doing, which is we think there should be standard packaging for agents. You can package them as containers, but it's not aware of what an agent is. Today, if you just package in a container, we don't know what tools they're using. If you share them and use them, you have the same problems you had earlier, which is like, what are my tools, what are my configs, how do I run them in any environment, what's the runtime I need? There should be something similar to a Docker file, like an agent file maybe. Like imagine a Docker agent, build, push, pull, run. So we're going to go do that, and we're exploring this and building this. And to get started here, to kickstart this, we've open sourced C Agent. That's the GitHub link. Please go check it out. It's an easy-to-use agent builder that makes it easy to build agents, but importantly, package them up as OCI artifacts and makes it easy for you to share them around via any OCI registry or hub. And so this is early exploration for us on how to package agents and share them. So we'd love for you all to go try it out and put any feedback, and we're going to work more here. And if you're interested in talking more about this, please do find us at a booth. Okay, next. For agents to work well, everyone here has heard about MCP. We're all using MCP. But we think for developers to use this and make it easy, there are a few things needed. One, you need, same as everything else, you need good packaging. Packaging local MCP servers as containers is, we think, the right thing. You get security with it. You need easy discovery. And you need trust still. Like, how do you go find what is the right MCP server for the thing we're using? Like, what's the Docker official images version of MCP? Like, how do you know what's trusted here? And then you need security and easy tooling around this. Prevent rug pulls, prevent all other security threats. So to do this, with two things we've done that we'd love to talk to you about. First is our MCP catalog. You can go to hub.docker.com/MCP, and you'll see a catalog of MCP servers. Think of this as the Docker official images for MCP. They're trusted, verified MCP servers. We'll be adding to this. We'll have community servers. We'll have a way for you all to add, anyone to add images. But on top of that, we'll add a bunch of security. So prevent rug pulls, containerize local servers. We support remote ones too. But it's an easy, trusted way to get servers you need. And second, in Docker Desktop, we've added tooling to make it easy to use MCP servers. Because today you have to go configure each client using Cloud Desktop, Cloud Code, Gemini independently. We can make it easy to discover these, configure them once, use them easily, and add a bunch of trust on your laptop when you're doing it. So you're not doing just npm installs of random software with access to your whole machine, but containerized, secure. So I'm going to quickly show you a demo of that, and hopefully you can go try it out after that. All right, so bear with me as we do this demo. Okay, so let's first orient ourselves. Hopefully it's legible. So if you go to Docker Desktop, you'll see MCP Toolkit there. Go check it out. Here's a catalog of servers. This will be growing. I can easily add them. I can connect them to clients. So let's do this. The setup here is, I've got some PM. They've been collecting feedback in Notion. I've got feedback from people here on Docker Desktop. What I'd like to do is have something consume this and go create issues for me in GitHub that I can go work on. So let's go do this. I think I need a GitHub client. So cool, let me just add that. And I've already configured this with OAuth, as you can see. And then let's go get a Notion one too. So let me go enable that. Cool. And I've already configured this with my secret here. It's all stored in secret management done. And I'm going to use Cloud Desktop. So I can just come here. You see a whole number of clients we support easily. You don't have to go manually edit config files. Let's just connect Claude here. So just do that, done. Great. Let's start up Claude. Let it come up. All right, so you can see here in tools, there's Docker and a whole bunch of tools there. Let's just do a quick test with this. What feedback do you see in, and what's the name of this page? In the Notion page. This will run for a second, and then I'll kick something off briefly here. The problem with these demos is hopefully Claude is fast. So you can see here, it's gone, easily connected. I never go muck with any config. Easy configuration, it just worked. And while that's running, I can just go do a little workflow here that I can automate that says, read from here and go create issues for me. And so what I've done, great, it's done stuff, it's getting more. I'm gonna start a new one so we can just try something new here. All right, so now I'm gonna say, go look at the feedback and categorize it and put it into GitHub. This will take a while to run, so I won't make you all wait for it. The key thing I want to show here is it was really easy for me. I don't have to go muck with any config files. I got official servers that I can trust. They're running containerized versions. They don't have access to everything they shouldn't. We have protection here for any rug pulls, etc. We'll be adding lots more security controls in here. And as a developer, I personally find this very easy to go use and run. And now I can start automating my workflows here. And now we will take this further in the future to let you easily build agents using this tooling so you can automate all this stuff. And that's running. I won't wait for the whole thing to run. All right, I'm going to go back here. Cool. Here's some QR codes. Go try it out. Go try it at MCP Toolkit. Hopefully you find it useful. Give us any feedback, please. And do go play with C Agent and start building agents and seeing the packaging. And we'd love to see any feedback you have there. And over time, you should see from us coming out standardized packaging, hopefully an agent file, and more stuff in MCP. That's it. Thank you.